Hi everyone, Dean here with Serious Software. Today we're going to run through an example of entering in a textile project. As you can see from the screen, we're looking at our textile entry screen for either an estimate or putting in a production order. First thing we're going to do is add garment. You'll notice here at the top we can click a button to add the garment. From this drop down we can select the various categories that are loaded by you. In this example we'll select t-shirts and we'll see our list of t-shirts become available. We then have a search criteria to filter down based on what we're looking for. We may be looking for a specific white shirt, and then of course it may be a Gildan. There's other search criteria you can filter as well, and you'll notice a feature here with a little plus sign to it. This allows you to enter in your own search criteria, whatever those may be. You can save those as a default, and you can search for them as needed. Down below is batches, and I like to use the example of leagues. So we may have the Little League Warriors, the Little League Eagles, the Little League Bears, and this allows us to enter in the specific uniforms by those leagues so we can search them and order material specifically. And all you have to do is just enter in a quick name right here. Now this could also be used for various other options as well, be it departments within a building or the tops, the hats, bottoms, and so forth. In this case, let's just keep it as is, and we'll say we need 10 of these, and we'll just run down the list, and we'll add 5, we'll add 8, we'll add 4, and we'll add 2. And then once we have our quantities entered, we'll just add this to the order, which down below will add it to the batch that I've selected. And then of course I could adjust the quantities here if I need to, but it'll show us if we have this available, what the cost is, and what we'll typically sell these at. And I'll just click OK, and this will add this to my main screen. Now over to the right are the processes. What will I be doing to these specific garments? Well, I may need to add into design here. So we'll say we need to add in an hour of design time, and we'll see I have screen printing already selected, so I'll select my screen print tab. And then I can specify the location. So maybe we're going to do the front left chest, and we're going to do that in a 2 color. We'll then go down to the next line, and this may be the back full, and then we're going to do this in a 3 color. So just as easy as that, we will have a price that we will sell these for at $16.12 each. This is based on a quantity of 29. Now we may need to add in additional detail, so we can click on this button here. We can see the height and the width of the front left chest and the height of the width of the back. And then we can, of course, type in an image, or we could come in and specify those, specific colors. So we may need a red, and then we may need a green. And then, of course, the colors on the back as well. I'm just going to click OK. And you will notice in our additional processes here that you can also do direct to garment. You can add in embroidery. We can add in transfer. And as I check these off, and I'll just show you the embroidery real quick, it'll load in the tabs specific to embroidery. And of course we can pick the colors, the stitches, the image, or is it a stock image, a custom image, just text and things of that nature. Now, once I have this completely filled out, what happens behind the scenes is it loads in a bill of materials or a parts listing. And it'll break this out by the equipment, by the labor, by the material, so we can quickly generate a PO from this particular project and send that to our supplier. So quick and easy, and thanks for taking time to watch this video. And if you should have any questions, please let us know.